Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage with paper step by step. Begin by folding a square sheet into quarters, then crease the center line and open it flat to form a sturdy base. Create concentric petal folds, each slightly smaller than the last, and curl edges gently to suggest natural leaf curves. Layer and glue the petals from outside in, adjusting angles until the paper cabbage looks full and organic. Use gentle, consistent movements as you shape each leaf to avoid tearing the paper and to keep edges smooth and neat. Work from the outer petals inward, gradually tightening folds and adding small inward tucks to simulate a compact cabbage heart. Use a rounded tool or the blunt end of a pencil to curl edges and add texture. Step back occasionally to check symmetry and balance for a convincing finished piece. If you are enjoying this craft video, please subscribe and like so more tutorials come your way. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long paper folding sessions, fits in cup holders, and has a leak-proof lid that I love for messy projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, cheers to cleaner crafting. Now let's get back to the video. Choose soft greens and hints of purple for a realistic cabbage palette, and apply thin watercolor layers so the paper retains flexibility. Add darker tones along folds and in the center to emphasize depth, then draw faint veins with a fine brush to increase realism. Once dry, lightly mist with a clear sealer to protect the paint and strengthen the paper without making it stiff. Handle carefully when assembling final layers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.